Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install IntelliJ, specifically the Community Edition. So just search on Google IntelliJ and click on the first link. And then you can see here we have IntelliJ IDEA, but the problem with this is it costs money. But we can still click the download link and see that there's a Community Edition. Once you see that, just press download. Once it finishes downloading, you can open it. And click through all of these different things. And once you get here, you can choose your own settings, but I recommend the 64-bit launcher, and you can create an association with .java. So this means that any .java file will be opened by using IntelliJ whenever you have a file that you double click on. Once that's finished, you can click Run IntelliJ and press Finish. So, other than that, you're going to need to go on Google and search Java JDK. And I already have this downloaded on my computer, but you're going to need one of the newer Java development kits. Now, chances are this will be different when you are downloading these files, since there are commonly new ones released, but you can just download the one for your machine. So I would do this one specifically. Now, depending on your computer, you might need to choose a different one. And make sure you press this Accept License Agreement right here, and then it'll let you download the file. And once you download it, you can just run it, and it should install the Java JDK onto your computer, which will allow you to run Java code. Alright, you can just press through that once you're done and set your theme and just skip through all these different things. They do not matter much to us. So, once you have IntelliJ IDEA ready, specifically the Community Edition, we can just create a new project. And once we have that, we can just choose Java. And up here, you might have to choose a new file, but it should automatically recognize it. If not, you'll have to go in and find where the JDK on your computer is actually installed. So, for example, mine is right here in this location, so it should be similar to that for you. Alright, so we can just press Next, and we can create a project from a template and see some basic Java code. So Hello World is the most basic of code, and I'll just name project Practice 1. So we can wait for that to load, and we can close the tips, and we can see here a very basic project. So you can see down here it's actually indexing a few things, which basically just means it's getting our code ready. So you can see it has our different files here, and we can just press Run. As you can see down here, it says it's building, and we just need to wait for that to finish, and it'll run our code. So you can see a terminal menu opened up, and it printed out Hello World, which is exactly what this code was telling the computer to do. You are now ready to start writing your own Java code. Thank you for watching.